everyone, I am Tandeep Sangra, founder of Innovates AI and Sales Ops 360. Welcome to episode 4 of the AI for Founders, the Fix series, where I show founders how to fix real business problems using AI. Today's problem is quite simple. Your content isn't ranking not because of SEO, but because you are using AI the wrong way. Most founders think that AI will help me write faster, but the truth is AI written content without human strategy does not rank because it looks like every other AI article. It doesn't show, it doesn't show real expertise. It confuses the Google and LLMs, and also it has zero experience signals. And the structure isn't optimized for AI models as well. So let's fix it with a workflow that actually works. Here is a 4-step AI workflow that makes content rank in 2025, and it will definitely gonna help you in 2026 as well. So the step 1 is use AI to create your expertise map. Don't ask AI to write content first. Ask it to understand your expertise. For instance, you can use a prompt like, here are my services, create 5 core pillars, 5 subtopics each, and 3 questions my buyers always ask related to your services, right? So this turns your expertise into an AI readable structure. Step 2 is use AI to extract your real experience. Upload your notes, your client meetings, your frameworks, your past wins, or maybe your processes. Then ask AI, extract insights, frameworks, mistakes, and solutions I have personally used. This is the content Google and LLMs trust. Step 3 is to use AI to outline, not just write down. Avoid generic articles. Ask AI, create a content outline based on my expertise, buyer intent, the problems founders actually face. This gives you a real structure that buyers search for, not generic fluff. Then the step 4 is use AI for optimization, not generation. Now ask AI to fix structure, headings, schema suggestions, EEAT elements, internal links, FAQ based on buyer intent, snippet ready answers, LLM ready clarity. This is where AI will shine. AI shouldn't replace your expertise. AI should amplify it, organize it, structure it, and optimize it. When you use AI the right way, your content ranks, AI models trust your brand, you become the go-to expert in your niche. That's how founders win in 2025 as well as in upcoming years. So if you want the exact prompts and templates I use for founders, DM me workflow and I'll send it over you right away. Stay tuned for next episode. Till then, see ya.